Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Yeah.
And just a quick reminder as we get started, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. We'd absolutely love it if you could, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and really helps us out. So today we are unpacking the Hurom H70 cold press juicer machine. To find out why it's being called the Goldilocks of juicers.
Right. And it's a fitting title because, well, the biggest barrier to juicing isn't actually the fruit itself.
Right.
It's the grueling cleanup of those traditional machines.
Oh my gosh, yes. It's literally like trying to clean a dirty screen door with a toothbrush.
Yeah.
Just standing at the sink, picking out those microscopic ginger fibers forever.
Exactly. And the H70 completely eliminates that pain point. It has this revolutionary strainer-free, easy clean technology.
Wait, strainer-free? How does it even filter then?
So instead of mesh, it uses a two-part auger system that naturally filters out the pulp.
Oh.
And the best part is it just detaches, so you can rinse it clean in under a minute.
Under a minute. That's huge.
Yeah, it really is. So since the whole cleanup issue is solved, the next big question people have is usually about the physical footprint.
Right, because nobody wants a giant machine eating up their counter space.
Exactly. And it hits this exact Goldilocks zone with the specs.
Okay, what do we got?
It measures just 8 by 16 inches and weighs about 14.8 pounds.
Wow, that is small.
Very. It easily tucks right into a cupboard, but it still packs a heavy-duty 150-watt motor.
Okay, wait, hold on though. Usually, like a smaller, compact machine means the user has to do way more prep work, right?
Yeah, that's true for a lot of them.
Like you have to chop carrots into tiny, manageable slivers just so the thing doesn't jam up on you.
Right, but the H70 counters that exact problem. It features this really large, self-feeding hopper and a very wide inlet.
Oh, nice.
So it is explicitly designed to handle bigger pieces, which minimizes your chopping time.
Okay, so less prep for me.
Exactly. You can even add ingredients while the machine is actively running.
Oh, that's super convenient. But what about the juice quality? I mean, if it's tearing through whole chunks of produce that quickly, isn't it basically just a blender?
Not at all. And that comes down to the final performance detail, which is the 60 to 70 RPM slow squeeze technology.
Slow squeeze, so it's not just spinning super fast.
Exactly. It extracts maximum yield with minimal waste. And because it rotates slowly, it just emits this quiet hum.
Oh, instead of that deafening blender roar that wakes up the whole house.
Right. And plus, this true cold press method, it keeps the juice fresh in the fridge for up to 72 hours.
72 hours? Wait, really?
Yeah, which actually leaves you with a final kind of provocative thought to consider.
Okay, let's hear it.
If a slow press juicer can keep your juice vibrant and fresh for a full 72 hours without losing its flavor or its color, how completely could that reshape your Sunday meal prep routine?
Oh, wow. That is a great point. It totally changes the game. Well, you've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.